remember when I first laid eyes on you. My man Tom introduced us, but I was too shy to say hi. When I finally built up enough nerve to drop a line, you made it clear you wasn't just another MySpace mystery. And I didn't take it personal when you ignored my request to be your friend. I spilled my guts and hit send. Waited 2 weeks for a response and got nothing. Honestly, it only made me want you more. Week 4 rolled around and I was this close to letting go, but something wouldn't let me, even though I hardly knew you. It was plain to see we were meant to lock lips. You knocked me out with the brass knuckle taps on your hips. I was on this website late night lurking when I got a message from you that was labeled urgent. You said that you weren't impressed by lame dudes with no game. They're all the same, trying to get your instant messenger name. But the fact that you hit me back made me smile. You must have saw something you liked when you were skimming through my profile. You caught me at the most pivotal moments, and now I'm emailing my love with a dozen digital roses. So click approve, show me some kind of sign and let me know it's time to make my move. Click approve, come on girl, baby I'm one of a kind and I ain't got time to lose. Click approve, feeling me here and show me some kind of sign and let me know it's time to make my moves. Click approve, come on girl, baby I'm one of a kind and I ain't got time to lose. Let's face it, it's a sad situation when we have to resort to keyboards as a means of making relations. But I don't have the patience, I get straight to the point. So this is me at my most honest. No ego, no gym class status, just Travis. Love it to leave it, but you gotta admit, on a scale of 1 to awesome, I'm the shit. Just get over it.